Yo, what's up? Back again with Indonesian Black Paradise. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the cost and living in Jakarta. Yo, what's up? Back again with Indonesian Black Paradise. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the cost and living in Jakarta. So the population in Jakarta is more than 10 million people. It's a big city, it's crowded, but it's a good living here because it's cheap and it's so good living. So the first thing is the public transportation. For 1 month, the public transportation costs you around plus minus around 600,000. So it's like roughly $50 a month just for the public transportation. And to live, there is the share flat, or we call it cost. It's around from 800,000 to 2.5 million. And it's like 2.5, I think it's a good standard one. You have aircon, you have a nice bed, you have toilet inside, bathroom inside. So it's roughly, for the price in dollars is around $70 to $200. For the food expense of the groceries per month, it costs you around 1.5 million Indonesian rupiah, so it's roughly around like $100 a month just for the groceries. And for that kind of price, you can eat like very well. And for you that smokes, cigarettes is the cheapest in Indonesia. It costs plus minus around like 20,000 Indonesian rupiah, so it's roughly like for one pack around $2, and it depends on the brand. But yeah, it's the cheapest. I think Indonesia has the cheapest cigarettes for one pack. Like if you compare to United States or I don't know, New Zealand, it costs like New Zealand last time around $30 for one pack. It's like you can get a lot here. And of course, we have street food. Street food in Indonesia, it costs from 10,000 Indonesian rupiah to 30,000. So it's like 50 cents, $2. And that kind of price, it's already full for one meal. It's cheap, it's so cheap. So the cost living in Jakarta, especially in Jakarta in Indonesia, it's so cheap. Not more than $500 per month. You can live so well here. Ah man, it's so cheap. And it's a good price, good quality food, advanced country. What more can you ask? Okay, so if you want to come to Jakarta, you want to stay here, it's gonna be so good. Alright, see you. Ciao. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. The drinks, alcohol drinks. Alcohol drinks, it's from 300,000 to 2.5 million. It's kind of pricey, it's kind of expensive. It's just because of the tax. Government want more tax. So, I don't know, it's not my fault. Alright, see ya, ciao.